Gusto mo ba ng bahay sa Bacoor na may carport at malapit sa Metro Manila? Ito na yun, pang foreclose pa. Check this out. Located sa Georgetown Heights, Bacoor, Cavite. Townhouse, inner lot, lot area 43.30 square meter, floor area 63 square meter. 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, 1 carport. Perfect ito sa small family or kahit investment property. Lalo na dahil Bacoor area, mas accessible papuntang Metro Manila. Bank foreclose, no bidding basta walang kasabay. As is where is. Selling price 2,800,000. Ito sample computation natin. 20% down payment 560,000. Loanable amount 2,240,000. Kung ibang financing mo for 20 years, estimated monthly amortization around 16,000 to 18,000 per month. Suggested required income at least 50,000 to 60,000 household income. At good news, 5,000 earnest money lang para makapag-reserve. Take note, for closed property ito, ibig sabihin limited lang at mabilis maubos. At dahil no bidding, first come first serve talaga ang labanan dito. Free house tour assistance available. Message ka na ngayon para ma-schedule viewing mo bago pa maunahan. This is Jean Puig. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!